Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you some basic machine learning fundamentals. First of all, why you need to know all these basic concepts of machine learning or uh, a career inside artificial intelligence. Machine, if you want to build a career within artificial intelligence, you obviously need to know machine learning. So to creating a strong basement in machine learning is essential for you to learn and code, using machine learning libraries. So there is scikit-learn, TensorFlow, etc., etc. So to understand when coding things, you need to understand the concepts first. If without understanding the concept, you will not be able to code things properly. So having your fundamentals, knowing the fundamentals by heart is good. So what I have planned to do is I have planned to create a series of videos, and this is the first video of the series. And in this video, I'm going to teach you what is machine learning and what is supervised learning in specific. And there is many things under machine learning like unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, batch learning, online learning, instant based learning, model based learning, overfitting, underfitting, generalization, regularization. There are so many concepts under machine learning. But in this video, I'm going to teach you what is supervised learning in specific. And in the upcoming videos, we will see all the concepts that I mentioned before. So you can see a definition here in your screen. You can see the definition of what is machine learning, but I would like to give you a general overview of how machine learning works. In machine learning, there are just two things: there is data and there is algorithm. Okay, so we can consider data as let's consider data as a image of an apple and image of a banana. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to feed the data to an algorithm. To be specific, ML algorithm. So we will feed the data to the ML algorithm like this. What you're going to feed, we are going to feed the data to an ML algorithm, and this ML algorithm will give us a model. This ML algorithm will give us a model. Okay, this is the basic of how machine learning works. The Okay, we will feed the data, and this algorithm learns all the patterns and relationship in the data and produces a model. And when we give a new data to this model, when we give a new data point to this model, when we give a new data point to this model will give us a prediction. Okay, so let me explain this clearly for you. We will say we are feeding the data of an apple and banana pictures like this. Let me show you this first. So that, see, this is the data set, and we are saying there is a mail and which says limited offer, and there is a mail saying meet at 10 p.m. Or in all this mail, few mails are spam and few mails are essential mails. And obviously the spam mails are denoted by 1, and the am mails mean am means nothing but not spam is generally known as am. So am mails are denoted by 0. So what we are going to do is we will feed this data to our model like this. That's the data we will feed to our ml algorithm, and after learning from the data, it will produce as a model. And when we give a new data, like say a new mail, like, hey, how are you, like this, when we give a new data like this to the model, it will predict whether it's a spam mail or am mail. That's how That's the basic overview of how machine learning works. The machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence which focuses on creating models which can predict things, which can predict without being explicitly programmed. We don't need to write programs. It can just learn by itself. That's how machine learning works. I hope now you are a little bit clear about what is machine learning. And under machine learning, we have different categories. So as you can see, for the first category can be supervised. We have supervised learning, we have unsupervised learning, we have semi-supervised learning, and finally we have reinforcement learning. And in this video, we are particularly going to talk about supervised learning. And in upcoming videos, I will talk about unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforcement as well. So the second category can be online learning or batch learning. And the third category is instant-based learning or model-based. Let me tell you a little bit about what is online and batch-based learning, and I will explain them in brief in the upcoming videos as well. So online learning is nothing but incremental learning. In online learning, the new data will be like continuously, the model will learn continuously from new data. In batch learning, the model is trained one time and that's it. Okay, that's how that works. And instant based learning and model based learning, the videos will be coming up. Stay tuned. So let's get into the topic of today's video, supervised learning. So what actually is supervised learning? See, there are many ways a machine can learn, but under supervised learning, the machine learns by using the labels. Labels are nothing but the the answer that you want to get. Labels are the answers. For example, see this is a feature. This is the mail, and this is the a label because this is what we want to find. The thing that we want to find are considered as labels. So when a mail like this pops up, our model knows. We tell our model when a message like this pops up, it is a spam. When a message is like this is not a spam. When a message is like this, that's a spam. We are teaching the model, oh, this is the thing. And when we feed the model a new message from the pattern it learned from this data, it will try to predict whether it's a spam or am by itself. That's supervised learning, learning with labels and features. And supervised learning is divided into two main categories, classification and regression. So, till now, all the examples that we have seen comes under classification. Classification is when there is only, see, you can see that this is categorical. There is only two types of value, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and so on. There is just, they are just binary, categorical. Classification, the labels are categorical. And in regression, the labels are not categorical but continuous. As you can see from this example of we want to predict the price of a car when its features like brand, model, horsepower, age, and mileage. With these features, like this, we need to predict the price. When the values are continuous like this, we consider it as regression. So these are some of the most important supervised learning algorithms: K-mean cluster, linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machine, decision trees, and random forest, and neural networks. I will teach you all this concept as well as I will teach you the coding as well in the upcoming videos. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you understand what is classification, what is regression, and what is machine learning in general. Thank you.